close.
Be the girls with a passion for fashion. Ooh, BRATZ, we'll always be there for each other. Ooh, BRATZ, yeah, styling how we feel.
What up, YouTube? It's your girl, Jau Renee. You don't want to know why? Because you tuned in to watch me, of course. So, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do the BRATZ challenge. I've never done anything like this. This is like way out of my comfort zone, but I said I'll give it a try. So today I'm going to change myself into Yasmin. She's so cute. She's like the bougie BRATZ of them all, and who better else to do because we're both light skinned. So, you know, if you want to see how I transform myself into a BRATZ, keep watching. So first thing you're going to do is take some glue and basically glue down your eyebrows, because you're going to place your eyebrows above where your natural eyebrows are going to go. And you guys, I'm not even going to lie, I've had this video for a couple weeks now and I've been hesitant on uploading it because I thought I did horrible, but I was like, you know what, why not? Just do it. So after about 3 layers of glue, I went ahead and took some setting powder and set the brows so that they stay in place. And girl, I look crazy as hell without brows. Like, oh my god, I would never. Now going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Palette, I'm taking that pink corrector shade and covering my brows before I put foundation on top, because I have some thick brows, y'all. I gotta cover them up. Oh my god, I'm half like embarrassed. Like, I feel like I don't even want to finish this shit. Bro, like, if I didn't have brows, I'm ugly as f. So I went ahead and skipped the foundation portion. I just used my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. Same routine as usual. So right now I'm taking my NYX Ultimate palette and I'm taking that purple right underneath my brow to create my cut crease, because BRATZ eyes are really big, so you wouldn't go where you would normally with your transition color. Now going in with my NYX white concealer, I'm just going to do a very dramatic cut crease. Now y'all, this is a part that got me. This was the most challenging part. Trying to create their eye was very hard, but you can take any concealer or white eyeliner that you have and begin trying to shape out the eye of the BRATZ. So for those of you who watch my videos on a regular, y'all already know I cannot do a wing liner, so this was a challenge in itself because this one is really dramatic. So now go ahead and with a black liner and create your pupil, which this is the part I feel like I messed up on because my pupil is way too wide, but you know, it's trial and error, you know, just try your best and hey, it's all you can do, right? So Yasmin has like hazel eyes, so I went in with my ABH Mario palette and took a light brown shade and filled in the iris. And now I'm just adding definition so it doesn't look like I have just like a white circle on my eye. So, you know, trying to make it look as realistic as possible. Alright, now take a liquid liner to make everything come together and just outline your eye and also outline the iris of the eye to add definition so it actually looks like an eye. You get me? Just checking out my work, trying to see if they look like eyes or do they look a mess. Stop now, so I'm just gonna add some lashes. So go ahead, take that same liquid liner and just do a couple hair strokes to make it look like you got some nice long lashes for your nice big old eyes. So Yasmin has really thin brows, so you're gonna go ahead on top of your natural brow and begin drawing in your new brow. Since their nose is so tiny, you want to go ahead and contour your nose as slim as possible to get that cute little button nose. We all know what makes Yasmin Yasmin is her famous mole. So go ahead and pop that bad boy right on the cheek. So even though I have really full lips, I'm still going to overline my lips because I just feel like the BRATZ have even bigger lips than mine. So go ahead and outline your lip and then put on your lipstick, and that will complete this look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope I didn't do as bad as I thought I did. Please tell me in the comments. Like, I don't even care. I like constructive criticism or whatever. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.